Hello everybody and welcome to Adding Fractions with Minecraft. Alright, let's take a look at our first problem here. This is fractions with the same denominators. Take a look and guess what two fractions are being added. Pause the video and come back when you have a guess. Welcome back. Over here we have 2, 6. Why? Because we have 2 diamond blocks and 6 blocks overall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 out of 6 are diamond. And over here we have 3, 6. Why? Because 3 of them are gold and there's 6 overall. Now to add the fractions, it's very easy. They need to be in a group of 6. In the group of 6, 3 of them are going to be gold from over here. 2 of them are going to be diamond from over here. And like I said, we needed 6. The rest is going to be glass. So we will have 5, 6. 2, 6 plus 3, 6 is 5, 6. Now, I know what you're thinking. What happens if the fractions are a different size? Well, let's get to that next. Now let's take a look at adding fractions with different denominators. Observe the math model and take a guess on what two fractions are being added. Pause the video and come back with an answer. Over here, we have 1/3 because 1 out of 3 is diamond. And over here, 2 out of the 8 are gold. So we have 1/3 plus 2 eighths. Now in our last problem, we saw that the denominator was 6, so the answer always had to be 6. So over here our denominator is 3, and over here our denominator is 8. So how big is our answer going to be? These guys are not the same size, and you're not going to be able to add them unless they are. Well, the good news about this is that you could easily change them to the same size with equivalent fractions. So the easiest way to find the equivalent fraction is to take the denominator here, that's the bottom number, and multiply it to the denominator in this one. So in this case, it would be 3 times 8. So that means our common denominator will be 24. We're going to change these fractions into an equivalent fraction that has 24 blocks in all. So we're going to take 1/3 and we're going to multiply it by 1, because 1 times 1/3 is 1. But we're going to change the 1. It's going to be the 1 created by 8 over 8. And then we multiply 8 over 8 times 1/3, and we get 8/24. So let's build 8/24 here. So I'm going to build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a row of 8, 2 rows of 8, 3 rows of 8 is 24, and our last row is going to be diamond. So there's 8 diamond solid blocks, 24 in all. So 8/24. And if I look at it this way, what do you see? 1/3 exactly, because 8/24 is 1/3. They're the same amount. Okay, now over here, we're going to need to multiply this 8 by a 3. 3 over 3. So 2 eighths times 1 is 2 eighths, of course. But what happens if we change that 1 to 3 over 3? We'll get 2 eighths times 3 over 3. Is 6/24. And we're just going to build this math model 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And bring this up. And the last 2 rows will be diamond. So there are gold. There'll be gold. So there are 6 gold and 24 in all. 6/24. Now we can add 8/24 to 6/24. So I'm going to take the 8 from here. Start with the 8 from here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to take the 6 from here. 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to fill the rest up with the glass because it's going to be 24. And voila. We are going to get 14/24. See, there's 14 solid blocks in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 solid blocks in all, and 24 in the rectangle. So, once again to recap, the problem starts here. 1/3 plus 2 eighths. Then we found the equivalent fractions by multiplying it by a 1 created by the denominator of the other number. So this one was 8, so we multiplied 1/3 by 8 over 8, and we got 8/24. Over here, we multiplied 2/8 by 3 over 3, and we got 6/24. And over here, we added the 8 and the 6 together, getting 14 out of 24.